Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome once again to our viewers on onespotmedia.com. Up first this evening, with more than $200 million at stake, there are calls for the Montego Bay bypass in St. James to be accelerated. Much has been said about the project, but why is it such a big deal? We took to the streets of the second capital. Disagreement in the lower house Tuesday over the order to designate the Montego Bay Perimeter Road as a national development project. The opposition in particular is raising cane over government's decision to use China Harbour Engineering Company check to build the road without putting the project through the competitive tender process.
But just to give this foreign multinational the project at some negotiated price arrived at behind closed doors, without allowing other interested and qualified contractors to bid for the work, provides no transparency and no assurance of Jamaica getting value for taxpayers' money. And that is not being fair to the Jamaican people.
Multiple times what we are proposing to spend here was negotiated. And there was no concern then that there was any concern about value for money.
Motorists out west, however, have little interest in who builds the road, telling TVJ News that the project has been long overdue and needs to be fast-tracked. We were told stories of tourists being at risk of being left behind by cruise ships, people being late for flights at the Sangster International Airport, and other emergency situations because of traffic congestion. We were actually able to conduct interviews comfortably with drivers waiting to move.
Well, we really need it. As you can see, right now it's not bad, but at peak hours it's really terrible. So based on my opinion, we can't wait. It's something just, it needs to happen like tomorrow.
When you go straight in the grill, you know, or them where they will help, you know, see it? Because right just now, it clog up all the while, you know? More car, too much car.
Right now, because of the traffic, it's hard to get out of the town at a certain time. Coming out of the town, getting into the town is ridiculous. You understand? So we need, the bypass is well needed for this town. Well needed, trust me.
Mayor of Montego Bay, Leroy Williams, expressed disappointment at the opposition's stance on the project. 6 opposition MPs voted against the Montego Bay bypass order. 3 abstained, while 36 government MPs voted in favor on Tuesday.
There have been stakeholders meeting, there have been community meetings. The design and acquisition and alignment have already been done. So I cannot understand why the opposition has voted against the perimeter road.
The mayor argues that easing traffic congestion aside, there are other opportunities once the project is completed.
It will contribute to the total development of the city of Montego Bay, because for one, it will open up areas in the interior, and it will be critical for our housing solution. So I am looking forward to this perimeter road.
Construction of the Montego Bay bypass is slated to begin in 2022 at a cost of $220 million.